every single day I trade 1 hour a day and manage to make 20 to 30,000 per month. You can do the exact same thing. In this video, I'll show you how I do it, how I break it down, and how you guys can execute with the exact same game plan we share here today so you can see the exact same results. And just last week, I made $4,300 in a single trade in under 1 hour trading, and me and my students do this regularly. So go ahead, get ready, get your note and paper, start taking some notes, because the info you're going to get here today is going to be a game changer for your trade. Now, before I dive in, go ahead, smash that like button, get this video to 200 likes, and I will share with you guys my tracker that allows you to track all your trades for absolutely free. All you guys have to do is get this video to 200 likes, and I will share all of it with you. For those of you guys that know me, you know I do my homework the night before, so in the morning of, I'm ready to implement. And on this day, we found CELH getting above a key level on the daily right here. You can see it has something like a cup and handle forming. And as soon as this candle goes above this 29.27 level, you can see volume is spiking here. This is what made it so interesting for me wanting to trade this. And if you guys follow me, you already know what my pocket strategy is like. We know that if we get above this resistance point, we are now in a pocket with room towards the prior high, which is right here. This is our pocket that we're looking to move into. All right. Now, this is what brought the stock to my eyes the night before. And in the following day, we expected the stock to continue moving upwards. You can use this strategy to day trade, and you can use this strategy to swing trade. And let's take a look at what happens. Boom. We continue moving higher and higher and higher right into the target that I was looking for. Now, what I was interested in was the day trade for the continuation upwards. So not only did I show you the game plan here after the fact, but I'm going to show you a live recording of our mentorship sessions that talk about the game plan before the market opens, how we executed on that game plan, and how we were able to maximize on this move up in order to see 4,300 in under 1 hour of trading. Let's take a look at the live call so you can learn exactly how we prepped the day before, how we prepped the morning of, and how we executed the trade right then and there. CELH is the next one. Decent looking. I want to say cup and handle because the rim is all the way up here, but continuously making highs, breaking out. Strong day yesterday, above average volume. Now it's got a pocket on the daily, technically all the way up to here, 34.50. So I want to see this continuation. I want to see this thing get back above 30.44 or 30.43. Either one work, and then we can push 31.30. It's going to be a pretty big move on a $30 name. So let's get this thing up towards 30.50, see it consolidate, then we can take the breakout over there. See CLH holding up really well with all this. Gonna try some CLH calls here. Nice volume spike on CLH here too. Market's taking a doo-doo and this thing is pushing. All right, just need the market to bounce a little bit here now. All right, AFRM, if I got close to VWAP and got an inverted hammer, would have been nice for continuation back down. Let's see. UPST, you have a bear flag there as well on UPST. It needs to get under 47.27, and then you open up for a drop down to 46.25. If UPST can get under 47.25 there. TLTR calls. Ooh, nice bounce. Got a pin bar off the green pivot. Okay, let's take a look at Tesla here. UPST is getting close, 47.25. Let's try this UPST on this volume spike here. This candle closes weak. It should open up more downside. It's got about a 1.9% move, but the candle needs to close under 47.25 here. Volume spike, candle bounced right back up though. All right, let's see. What else? On the option side, 1.6 million in Qs puts coming in for 30 days out. All right, AFRM as well. You have another bear flag here. The volume spiking. It closed under that 47.17, gets it for more downside here. Got about another 2% drop. Just wait for the candle to close under the big volume spike here. Might pull back a little bit more before it continues higher there, PLTR. Not the smoothest moves up and down here, just with the exception of Meta. That was a nice move, smooth move down. So the SPY and the Q trying to put in a little bit of an H here. I hate to see these bound candles do these like jumpy moves. It makes it really hard to trade. Like you want to see that confidence in the move that you're in, but they're a little jumpy. That's just due to lack of volume there. The only thing that it's doing well is making a lower high or higher low. If the SPY fails to make a new low, then things could change a little bit here. Let me put SPY up low, low, low. This fails to make a new low. We might be in a little bit of a short-term bounce back to the VWAP. Trying to defend that market low. The 11 o'clock slowness has moved up to 10 a.m. We used to get a lot more volatility right up until like 11. All right, PLTL still trying. Fairly similar look to everything else. Low, higher low, higher low. If we can get above here with a little bit of strength in the market, we should pop at least the view off here. Need a little bit more. And crazy how much they're just dumping Google. Google is in a tough spot on the daily too here. Jesus, Google's struggling. Daily's in a pocket with room towards 150. That is not good. Resistance still here at 29.98 on CLH. Nothing has changed yet. Thank God it's Tuesday, or else we would have got rocked on Theta here on a Thursday. All right, here's CLH getting above this level now. High day is going to be 30.17. Looking good on CLH. Finally getting some love. Beautiful move, CLH. Let's go. On this PLTR, as it's tagging this view off, if this turns into an inverted hammer, I'm getting out of this trade here on PLTR. CLH, you guys still in this? Beautiful move. Took a while. Got filled there on CLH. 30.44 is the resistance there, guys. What a fill. Let's go. You guys just saw how I was able to trade in under 1 hour and make over $4,000. You guys have seen all these videos that I post, and all my trades take place in the first hour. So do all my students. And if you want to work with me one-on-one, so you can be one of those students that generate $7,000 to $30,000 per month, all you have to do is click the link down below, see if you qualify to work with me, and if you do, great. And if you're not ready to work with me one-on-one or don't have the capital to invest in a one-on-one coaching program, no problem at all. Watch this video right here. It's a free training that's going to help you become a better trader.